Alright guys, we're printing on our H2D. We're loving this thing. This is Sugar Skull. Oh, you can see it's doing a little filament change right now. Sorry, the focus was being a pain, probably because of this glass. Oh, you can see it pooping though. And then it's only gonna take 20 hours to print this skull, but I'll show you what it looks like in a couple more hours. Check out how the Benchy came out. Knocked it out in 17 minutes. I was so excited while it was printing though. I sliced up this Sugar Skull, 3 colors, and it is going at it. It's gonna take it about 14 more hours. Look how cool it's looking. Can't wait to see how it turns out. Guys, a little more of the Sugar Skull. You can see it printing away. It just does such awesome work. You sit here and watch it and watch it and just keep watching it. Lose track of time watching it. Check it out. Looking crazy. Still got 10 hours left. But super cool. Alright, a little update. It's still printing away. 8 hours, 27 minutes. Oh, it's doing some of its craziness. Gonna do some little poops. Oh, it's changing rolls. So cool. All right, check it out. Looking awesome. So it's got about 6.5 hours left. So I'm off to bed. But as you can see, it's gonna be working hard through the night. So it'll be done by the time I wake up. So we'll check it out in the morning. Oh, Jesus Christ. I came in and it said like left extruder clogged or something. So I don't know, I hit try to fix it, but as you can see, it did not finish printing overnight. And I don't even know how long the system's been in this standby mode. I'm sure it's about to error again, but hopefully I can get it back to printing. This will be so upset. Check it out. I just love watching it print. See the color choices that it makes when it changes. It's going to be a cool print. What's up, Bambu Labs H2D Owners Group? This is my crazy skull I'm printing. As you can see, I did not take it easy on the filament changes. This is a 1 day, 17-hour print. It's got 3 hours left to go. And I just wanted to share it with the group. It's my first Bambu, and it's quite the experience. Boom. There it is, finished up. I'm gonna get it out of there, take some photos, put it on the internet, get all the likes and comments from people, from my dopamine. Yeah.